Hey guys, my name is Popio. I'm the artist and also Magic Forest NoSleep founder. And today I would like to introduce you Ordinals wallet because that's the first step to create your Bitcoin's NFT or buy your Bitcoin's NFT. So let me show you how to do it. First, we need to go to Ordinal wallet website and create your new wallet. Just check on the white color bottom and we are good to go. The second step is farmer paper to write down all your secret recovery phrase because that is very important and it's only one way to help you find back your wallet. Once you confirm your backup and you should be all set. After you set up your wallet, you may like to check up the collection because now in the Ordinal wallet have a marketplace. So once you click the buy NFT button, you need to sign your wallet again, and that will bring you to the page. And now you finally you can send the Bitcoin to your wallet or receive the Bitcoin to your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the next step, we'll probably try to create our own Bitcoin NFT. So follow us step by step. See you next time. Bye.